Phone.com is now offering Pro SIM, eliminating the need for a separate business phone or additional apps. Manage all your calls and texts in one convenient location. Upon creation of your Pro SIM, you will receive an email containing installation instructions. Before proceeding with the installation, verify your phone is on the latest software version and Wi-Fi is enabled. Navigate to Settings on your Android device. Once you're in your settings, tap Connections. Choose SIM Manager from the options. Next, select Add eSIM. Choose Scan QR Code. Scan the QR code provided in your Phone.com account, which is also available in the email you received. Your device will check the SIM information. You will then be asked if you want to add Phone.com eSIM. Tap Add. It will begin adding the Phone.com eSIM and preparing for mobile connection. Please note that this process may take a few minutes. Once the eSIM is successfully activated, you will receive a pop-up notification saying Phone.com eSIM ready. Congratulations on setting up your Pro SIM. Please watch our next video on how to configure your cellular number.